What's up, guys? We'll be doing a corn harvest video here. What I did there, but we're gonna be harvesting this cornfield over here. It's 1960s. Show you my new tractors came out into the game. They're 4320. Another one over here. It's a tricycle one. They got double weights compared to the other ones I had in my last videos. Those are 4020s, but we're gonna get to harvesting. This whole video is gonna be a time lapse of harvesting this whole field and all that. So, alright, let's get started. Let's go. Turn that down a little bit. But here you go. Up there running. I don't want to miss no corn stalks. This thing fills up super quick. Ain't got a big grain storage in it, but not very big, but it holds some bushels of corn. So, alright, we're gonna be doing it all the way around and all that. If y'all know what I'm talking about, but we're gonna continue here harvesting. Got a little bit to go, but we're gonna continue. Farm over there. Yeah. Oh, I missed a stop. It's okay. It's okay though. We'll still continue here. Because we gotta get this whole field done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop out here though, because I'm gonna have to go get some rest. I'll be back the next day to finish this up though. Maybe the next day after that, the day after that, I don't know. We'll have to see. But we're gonna pause right here till the morning. So, right here. Alright. Hopefully it ain't raining tomorrow, but okay. We're gonna go get some sleep now. It's already getting nighttime. I'm gonna be eating supper first and get back. Alright. Back from eating supper. There we go. Just get some sleep. It's probably $601,000. $62,000 in the bank. And $62 million in the bank, I'm sorry. Yeah, y'all can't probably see everything on this TV here, but I'm gonna have to warm her up, start her up. I'm gonna warm up for a little bit. Alright, let's get back to work now. We did one whole round in here. This field. Got a couple more to go, but alright. Might as well empty my thing. Alright, we'll empty it in this small part right here. This thing's speeding up, emptying this stuff, all the corn bushels out into this cart. Alright, we're good. Let's go back and continue back to work, harvesting this thing. Fuel. I may take a break with this harvester and probably use that harvester over there. Yeah, a little bit, but anyways, we'll get back to work as usual. Sorry, I didn't pronounce that right. I wash this scarecrow in my fuel, because I got a scarecrow in my fuel. Yeah, right there. Oh, hang on a minute. I lost something. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's continue. Back harvesting this corn. Okay. This will be the last row. I'm using this harvester. I'll get to work using the other one for the rest of this. This guy said we got 9 hours on him. So. Let's see that scarecrow. Oh, he's out there. Alright, last row over here. I'm using this guy before I get to using that guy over there for the rest of this field. This header, I don't know how well you do with this header though. It's the only one I got, but we'll have to see. Alright. attached for some reason. And it don't really matter. I'll just use this horse for the rest of it then. But ain't not much left to go in this field though. Scarecrow. Alright. Continue on here. I'll just finish it like this. So I'll have to continue this way, hit my scarecrow. We'll finish it off. Crap, if I don't hit it. This stuff's fun to do, but excuse me. Almost done here. I may have to unload it here in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna stop here actually for the night. It's getting supper time again. Back in the house to eat supper again and also get some more sleep. Last corn harvest day. had to fix my camera settings right there off my cell phone. Alright, there we go. Start it back up. And we gotta go emptier right now. Into this 4320s grain cart. Alright, so finish harvesting this last two bits over here. Corn. Alright. There we go. Dang it. Stupid camera. Hang on a minute, it messed up again. I'm gonna get used to filming this stuff here without it messing up, but alright, there we go. I want to hit my scarecrow back there. We're good. And we're finished. Damn it. Excuse my language. But right, there we go. And the last bit of the corn bushel out. Yeah, not much. Let's park them over here. Okay, let's go into the grain silos. Grain silos on my farm though, so I don't get paid for emptying this, but alright. Dang it. I back up a little bit. Alright, there we go. about go. Alright. Mark will be here for right now. I can grab the other one. No, not that one. Yep, this one. Take her to the other silo. This guy out. Not gonna do this one, but we're gonna move up and do this one up here. Alright, stop. Let's move a little bit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this guy's getting emptied fast. Alright, we're good. We'll park her over here next to the other one. But anyways, that's the whole corn harvesting video for today. Y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video today. I hope I'm able to make more videos like this soon, but not with no more camera mistakes though. Where it fell about twice and I had to fix it a little bit. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.